Guys, I'm back with another unbox video, and today I'm gonna unbox the Pro Wrestling Crate. This is one of my favorite mystery boxes, just for the autograph. You never know what you get again. But this one I'm most excited about because it has two of the stars I remember at the top of my head are Hall of Famers, the late great American Dream Dusty Rhodes, and Shot One Man. You know him better as the 1-2-3 Kid, 6, X-Pac, 6-Pac. Yeah, so anyway, let's see what we got. This the spoilers from the other side. And next month, the one I'm looking forward to the most is Eddie Guerrero and the New Age Outlaws. But we also got the Hardys, Danhausen, Sharks, Master, and Eddie Idol. But mostly excited for Eddie Guerrero and the New Age Outlaw. And the New Age Outlaws, I'm a big Road Dogg fan. So Road Dogg is my favorite of that team. So let's see what I got. First things first, it's a t-shirt. It's a black t-shirt, and it is Britt Baker. Yeah. Not a good t-shirt in my opinion, design wise. Here's the Micro Baller, and it is the 1-2-3 Kid. Going back inside, here's the pin, and it is the Briscoes. I'm a big fan of the Briscoes, so that's really cool. For your comic book, no, it's actually a book. Hangman, Adam Page. Red Dragon sticker. And we got the late great Dusty Rhodes t-shirt. That's this one I will definitely wear the most. And the last thing in the box is the autograph. Let's see what I got. Oh, Fandango. Cool. So yeah, anyway guys, that's the unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Later.